Burlington Township faces over 45 inches of rainfall yearly, making water damage a recurring nightmare for many homes. At Restoration Specialists, we're here to bring hope, relief, and a fast solution when disaster strikes. When dealing with residential water damage repair in Burlington Township, New Jersey, Restoration Specialists is the name you can trust. We turn chaos into calm and bring life back to your home. Water damage isn't just a hassle, it threatens your home's safety and your family's comfort. With our water damage repair services, we restore your home and your peace of mind. Did you know mold spores can start growing within just 24 to 48 hours of water exposure? In our humid environment, rapid response isn't just critical. Protecting your home and health is essential. We've seen it all, whether it's a flooded basement, storm damage, or a burst pipe. Our expert team is ready to tackle every challenge with precision and care, bringing your home back to life. Water damage doesn't just destroy property, it steals your sense of security. We act with urgency, compassion, and expertise to ensure your home feels like home again. Water damage can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to face it alone. We're here to guide you every step of the way, with clear communication and unwavering support. Call us now at 609-669-2155 and let us help you reclaim your space. You can also visit restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/Burlington-County-NJ/Burlington-Township to learn more about how we can help you rebuild and recover. Restoration Specialists, restoring properties, rebuilding lives.